Is your measurement and inspection process time consuming and laborious? Could it be affecting production turnaround times? Is it prone to subjective judgment? Could it be affecting product quality? The flexible OMNI Core system allows you to add on apps to suit your inspection and budget needs. The automatic measurement app simultaneously takes repeatable measurements, increases the speed and efficiency of inspection, improves repeatability and reliability of results. Simply create or import a digital measurement template for your sample. Add measurement tolerance limits. Save and recall your digital measurement template. Pass-fail analysis will be displayed on screen, while the actual measurement values and tolerance deviation will be exported to a CSV file. For more information, please visit ash-vision.com or email info@ash-vision.com.